My dear friends, how are you in this home confined situation? I hope all of you are feeling bored. I am also so. Now I am telling you few tips by maintaining which all of us can relax our mind and body. At first, I am telling about you the concept of water therapy. All of us should take 3 to 4 liters of water per day. But we should take the water same volume in same interval on each day. Say morning, before going to bed at night, after half an hour of the lunch and evening. Let us fix 4 times and take same amount of water in same interval. As a result, what will happen? The water balance of our body will be good. The fluid management of our body will be good. The ionic balance, the balance of electrolyte of our body will be good. This is called water therapy. Similarly, we can also tell you that as we are taking foods in morning, breakfast, lunch, at noon, at evening, and at night, if we take our food at the same time in every day, 15 or 10 minutes later or before is not a factor. Lunch, breakfast, supper, dinner, if we perform at proper time in each day, then it is very good for our health. The secretion of enzyme from stomach, will be regularized if we take our lunch, breakfast, dinner and supper at proper time in each day. Don't take a stomach-filled meal in each time. Don't take stomach-filled meal in each time. Even during your lunch, keep your stomach vacant to some extent. Even your lunch, keep your stomach vacant to some extent. Avoid to take spicy and garlic food, oily foods, junk foods, fast foods. Avoid to take massive carbohydrate and massive fats. This is about water and foods. Now all of us are suffering from hypertension, high blood pressure and diabetes mellitus. Now I will tell you something maintaining which we can control that. We can control that who are in disease and we can control so that our disease can't come. Fast breathing exercises. Take maximum air as you can at a time. Take maximum air as you can at a time so that your belly can be swelled up. Then release the air. This is the first breathing exercise. At a time, as much air as you can inhale, then release it. Perform it few times for few minutes. It will expand your lungs. It will increase the functioning of your lungs, increase the functioning of your alveoli. More amount of oxygen will be mixed with your blood and will feel far better. It is an exercise of lungs. The expansibility of the lungs will be very good if you follow this exercise. Do this breathing exercise at a particular day, at a particular time. If you practice this exercise regularly, then do it in a particular day. Second breathing exercise is take the air, inhale the air as slowly as you can. Take the air, inhale the air as slowly as you can. Then release the air as slowly as you can. Take the air, inhale the air as slowly as you can. After that, release the air as slowly as you can. It is make your mind quiet, calm. Your tranquility will bring in your mind, and your mind will be stress-free, tension-free. Each exercise should also be done in a particular time of a particular day for few minutes. It is a stress management breathing exercise. It will decrease also the hypertension. It will decrease also the possibility of diabetes mellitus, that is blood sugar. The third breathing exercise is take breathings as if a strong storm is passing through your body. That means take the inhale the air as early as possible and release it. Inhale the air as early as you possible, release it. As if a storm of air is going throughout your body. What the result of this exercise? For this exercise, the blood circulation of your body will be increased. For this exercise, the blood circulation of your body will be increased. If you practice this exercise, you will feel very easy after a few days. But also remember, when you will do this exercise, maintain the time. At a particular time in every day, you should do this exercise. When you will do these breathing exercises, then your stomach will not filled with body, will not filled with foods, and will not remain vacant. Your stomach will be filled with few foods, not empty, not full. These breathing exercises, 3 breathing exercises, you can perform simultaneously, or you can do any one of it, or you can do any 2 of it as per your requirement. But think that if you do in a particular time in each day. The exercise of inhaling air very slowly as you can, and discharging the air very slowly, as slow as you can. You may do this exercise before going to bed. It will increase your sleep. Because it will decrease your tension level and stress level. Another point I am telling you to remain better is that meditation. You can meditate the divine face of any divine person. Say Jesus, say Lord Buddha, say Lord Ramakrishna, say Mother Teresa, say your mother, say your father, your best teacher, your best person seen in your life. A divine face of a person, or a face of a divine person, you may meditate. You may meditate in heart, taking in heart as if his face, his body, as if he is bodily present in your heart. Try to feel that. This will channelize your mind in a particular frequency and make your mind peaceful and tension free. Another exercise you may do which will very much effective for make your mind calm, peaceful, quiet. That is, think that you are swimming in an ocean of gladness. You are swimming in an ocean of joy. You are swimming in a divine ocean, and take your breathings slowly, slowly and slowly. When you taking your breathings upwards, think that the air is passing through your spinal cords upwards, and when you are discharging the air, then think that the air is passing through your spinal cord gradually, and think that you are sitting or you are swimming or you are lying in a holy ocean. You are lying in a ocean of gladness. You are lying in a ocean of divinity. You are lying in a ocean of joy. This is a very good exercise by which you can get gladness. You can make yourself free from depression. Another thing is that at night, before going to bed, you think what types of happenings you have done which are making your mind disturbed. This is a very good process. In next day, try to avoid that type of works. And in this way, showing your own faults, you can create your mind peaceful. This is the only way. And next time I will talk with you regarding another matters. Thank you.